My dear friends, good morning. Hope you all are doing well. Let's start the wonderful journey of data science. Today, our topic of discussion is VLOOKUP with wildcards. So, what we are going to discuss here, my friends, is VLOOKUP function using wildcards. So, what is this wildcards? For example, this asterisk is wildcard. This question mark is wildcard. So these are some of the wildcards. So wildcards is very much used in VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP. So we will see how this works in VLOOKUP. So if you are seeing, I have prepared a data set, my friends, for you guys. Here we have a product specification where we have the serial number of the products, we have the product code, we have the product name, and we have the price. And in my result column, I have the serial code here where you see I have just the alphanumeric code HYNH, which is equivalent to this one, and JNYH, which is present in this one. So what I need is to find, my question is to find the product. So we will see how VLOOKUP works using the wildcards. This is very easy function and very important function, my friends. Subscribe my channel and let's deep dive into more data science topics and we will learn and explore. So let's start the VLOOKUP by wildcards. So we start our function now. Type in VLOOKUP, then we'll start with our first wild character. Let's see how it goes, guys. And this is our search criteria. Let's see how this works. We're trying to use the wildcat and see how this works, guys. This is my range. Let me quickly fix this, guys. And my column is 3. The range is index is 3. And I want the exact match. Let me close this and let me press enter. Wow. So we got it, guys. You see, guys, we got the answer. Manu Bulb and MS Cruise. So these are the two products, guys. So this is how, guys, my friends, this is how VLOOKUP works using wildcards. I hope this is interesting and you are enjoying, my friends. Stay tuned to my channel. Let's learn and explore the data science world. It's absolutely free sessions for me. Please join my channel. Ask your friends to subscribe it to learn more data analytics. Thanks for joining for today's class, my friends. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.